Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create this beautiful radio wave effect inside After Effects. So as you can see on map and on a radio tower, it's look really amazing. I will show you on a booth how you can create. So let me first delete my these things and let me add from start, the radio tower and the map. Let me adjust the map and the radio tower. And first I'm going to show you create a solid and you can name it like radio and click OK. Then go to the effect and preset and search for the radio wave. As you can see, just drag on your solid. And now we just need to control panel and set the color. And we just need first to little bit of this settings. As you can see, I fix it on the top of the tower. And now I need add to the deep glow. And once you add a deep glow, let me fix the radius and the exposure. And as you can see, if I play this, it looks super amazing. So this is how you can actually create this beautiful radio wave effect. Mostly it's used in the map animation videos. And as you can see, I will show you the map animation as well. So as you can see, I just increase the setting of this radio wave. You can change your setting. As you can see, you can change the quantity and you can change the end width and you can change the start width. So this is the setting, and as you can see now they are really big. Let me undo this, and as you can see, this is my setting. So you can just copy me and let me adjust these things as well. As you can see, it's increase the opacity and all the stuffs. So this is the easiest way to create this beautiful radio wave effect. You can change the setting from here according to your need, and I'm just adjusting these settings. I'm just tweaks these setting. I think this lifespan is 4 is enough. So as you can see, the lifespan is 4. This is my setting and it's looks really amazing. So now let me show you on the map. So let's delete the solid, and again let me create the solid again. And once you create it, add the radio wave effect. Simple. Now let me adjust the color. This time I choose the white. Lifespan 4. And now let me adjust this anchor point at the middle of this Miami's map. And now I need to adjust some settings. So let me scale down a little bit. And now it's looking perfect. I'm adding the deep glow and just me tweak the settings. These are my settings. So as you can see, it's really beautiful looking. And once I play, it's super cool. Like you can use it in your map animation. So this is a really easy way to make this radio wave effect inside After Effects. So I hope you enjoy my videos. If you enjoy, please support me and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for your watching.